black,
Hmm.
red.
Do you know other colors?
No.
Oh, okay.
God.
Really?
He's holding his hand. That's how you do it.
Stop it.
What?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Did they teach you that at school? Really?
Not at school.
Where?
Daycare. I
Really?
have a sign language teacher
Oh, okay.
at daycare.
Okay, what other?
Now,
You did?
brown.
Okay.
What else do I know?
Mom.
Mom. Dad. Grandpa. Okay, Grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know anymore.
Do you know like happy and sad? They didn't teach you those.
Okay. 2.
Uh-huh.
Okay. 3.
Okay.
3. Okay. 4. 5.
Uh-huh.
6. 7. 7.
I assume you need your other hand to do that?
Mommy, I want to make more battle stuff online.
Okay.